All right, so I've been receiving different complaints on how to install this ring light. So it comes in three different packages. We have the nuts, the ring light, and the tripod stand. So let's get started. I'm here to give you a step-by-step guide on how to install it. So the first thing for you to do is, after taking it from the cover, you just have to loosen this. You loosen this knot here to be able to extend the tripod. Yeah, so after you loosen it, you just extend it. When you see that it will be able to stand on its own, or you just put it on the floor to test. Afterwards, you just tighten it back to make sure it doesn't fall back. Okay, so after this one, you have to also extend this to the required length you want. So you also have to loosen this knot. After loosening, then you also extend it to any length you want. After you've achieved the length you want, then you just tighten it back again. Okay, so afterwards, you just take this package and take this particular, I don't know whether I should call it knot or what, but then you fix this one first into the tripod stand. Okay, so you just fix it like this. When you are done with that, there is this small knot in this package. So you take this knot and fix it inside this hole of the ring light. So you just fix it here like this. Then when you are done with that, there are three different knots. Each of the phone holder has its own knot attached to it. Two different phone holders, and there is one particular knot in it separately. So this is what you're going to do. You just have to you see this particular knot, you put this knot here like this. Then you fix this small knot you fixed inside the ring light into the hole. You force it in the hole. Then when you are done, you just tighten the knot so that it doesn't fall off. So I'm trying to tighten it now. So when you are done tightening, you just take the phone holders, take away the knots, remove them, then you place them on this. Then you force this one into that, and then you tighten it. I just hope it's very visible. So you do same for this side as well. You put the knot here and then you force the phone holder into it, then you tighten it. Yes, so we are done fixing it, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I'm not having two phones. I would have fixed one into the phone holder for you to see. It's adjustable, so you can adjust and then put your phone inside like this. So then you connect the ring light to the power source. So this is how you do it. You just take this cord and then put it in any charger head that you have. So I'm fixing mine into my charger head. So I've turned the power on, and then this is the control. It's like a remote, so you just turn on the power. That one is very easy to use. So you turn on the power, and you realize the light is already on, and you can make it brighter, or you change the color to any color of your choice. Sure. So this is the brightness, and then the colors, and then the power. So you turn it off again. So basically that is how it is done. Thank you.